What is up, beautiful people? Today I'm back with a very mini haul from Purple. Now the other day I picked up about 4 products from Purple, and I received it a couple of days back. It just took one day for them to deliver it to me, probably because I stay in Mumbai and the warehouse is in Kurla. So let's quickly unbox this and see what are the goodies inside. Okay, so this has been packed pretty tight though. Not sure how to. Oh dear Lord. Yeah, alright, I got it. Damn, how many tape do they need? Dear Lord. Alright. Damn it, so much of bubble wrap. Alright, I'm okay. This will be interesting to use later. My favorite time pass. Can you believe this? Purple, you have sent me, I don't know how many, 5, 6 of these? Just like that. Okay, so here are the products. Yeah, I ordered 4 products. I'm gonna list them. I'm gonna show you my order up here on the screen somewhere. So this is a face scrub. This is one serum and yeah, 2 other serums. This is what I had ordered. I'm not sure you can read it. I'm just gonna put up a picture somewhere here of what I had ordered. So let's quickly open them and see. Alright, 15 minutes later off camera. It took me 15 minutes to get through 4 products. And I have about 12 bubble wrap in my hand. Some of them absolutely unused. Purple, if you're watching this, seriously, you need to speak to your packaging department. This is ridiculous. This is too much. 10 bubble wraps just wasted for 4 products. I mean, there are companies who are not giving chargers to their customers in the name of environment. Least you could do is use less plastic. Okay, anyway, let's just get back to the product. So I ordered 4 serums and 1 sandalwood scrub. This is ALPS goodness, Swiss Love Sandalwood Face Scrub. It says that it helps to detox the skin, control sebum production, lighten blemishes. So the reason why I ordered this is purely because of sebum control, because I have this massive whitehead issue. So this is cheap. This is absolutely cheap. Which I think for 75 rupees, I think I got it for 64. And how much? It's a 30 gram product. Alright, so let's open this and check. Okay, sealed. So thank God for that. Oh damn it. Where did it go? Oh, okay. Okay, I see something. Let's just see this. Looks absolutely creamy. Okay, feels like nothing. Okay, very minute granules. Smells okay. It does not really smell much, so it's even good for people who have absolute sensitive nose and skin and who could not bear any kind of fragrance. It's really good. I actually like this already. It's really mild. Okay, I think I'm gonna enjoy using this. So I'm gonna use it for a couple of weeks and then probably give a review, because you need to use your physical scrubs only like once a week. So let me use it for 2-3 weeks and then probably give an updated review on this one. Alright, next 3 are serums from BAE. Now the reason I picked up BAE is because it might not really be value for money, because the price seems less, but so is the quantity. And if you really compare it to other serums available in the markets, On an average, the pricing is absolutely similar. However, I still wanted to use it because I was really intrigued that this is a company which targets typically your teenagers and college going girls, and hence the price variants that they have. But I checked out the reviews on Purple, and I saw that a lot of girls actually give good reviews. So I thought I'll pick up 3. One of them is for my mom. My mom has wrinkly skin, and her only what she does for skincare is typically using a face wash and using a cold cream. That's it. So I thought I'll pick this one up for her. This one is a face serum which says BAE Confident, enduring as Statue of Liberty. Okay, with milk peptides. So what does it say? It says it's filled with antioxidants, it minimizes fine lines and tightens skin. So seems like my mom should be using this. A lot of blah 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 in the back. The key ingredients, it says it's ethylaxyl, methocyanamide, Claire Blanche. What's Claire Blanche? Okay. Sodium ascorbyl phosphate, maltodextrin. Isn't maltodextrin added in food? Okay, whatever. Sodium starch, octenyl succinate. Alright, whatever that meant. Let's just check. Okay, sealed bottle, which is very white in appearance, and a dropper. Okay, this is how it is. This is a that looks like white paste actually. Okay, anyways. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give this to my mom, and probably a week or 10 days later do a review of how it looks. I'm gonna click up before pic of hers. She doesn't really like to come on camera, so what I'm gonna do is probably click a close up of her facial skin, and you'll probably get an idea what I'm talking about. She's 65, so let's see how this works on her. Alright, 2 I picked up for me. Okay, let's go with this one. It says BAE Skinfident, glowing as Broadway Queen. Alright, so this one is a face serum with vitamin C and vitamin B3. Okay, this is what I was really looking out for. I wanted a vitamin B3, a niacinamide serum, because of all the hype I saw on YouTube. And when I checked it out, so on an average, a 30 ml niacinamide should in India costs about 500 to 600 rupees. This one is a 10 ml product, and it costed about 131 or something. I'm not sure. How much does it say? Nothing says on the packaging though. Damn packaging. Alright, I found out how much it costed me. Okay, so the one which I picked up for my mom, which is the one with milk peptides, it costed me 105 rupees for a 10 ml product. Now that is a little lesser than what I saw in serums on an average pricing in the market, but let's see. Let's just use it and see. This one is vitamin C and niacinamide. This costed me 131, and that's for a 10 ml product. On an average, it's 500 to 600 rupees. Our naturals is about say 520, and there was something else which I saw which is for 600 rupees. So I think it's a good pricing. Just because it is in the range of 100 odd rupees does not mean it's gonna be bad. Let's just use it and then judge it. Okay, the third serum that I picked up, it says BAE Confident, lit as Times Square. Okay, this one is a face serum with collagen and potato starch. Infused with geranium essential oil, prevents fine lines and wrinkles, improves elasticity. In all honesty, I don't really need it. I'm 38, but my skin does not look like that at all. But what's the harm in using it, you know? They say you need to start with your skincare by the time you hit 20. I never did that, so let's start it all together. So okay, this one costed me about 187 rupees. Maybe because it was an offer, I'm sure it's about 200 rupees. The only other collagen serum that I saw was Dot & Key, which was about 1100 or something. So for starters, I thought start using with a 10 ml product, see how the products are, and see if it works on me. Then move on to other brands, or probably stick to this brand if it's good. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use vitamin C serum, vitamin C and niacinamide serum first for 7 days. Then in the next 7 days I'm going to use this so that I can give an individual review of how these products work on me, and then probably I'll club them in my skin regime and take it from there, and then probably provide a review of how it's working on my skin. When I give those reviews, obviously there'll be a before and after pic of my skin, and you'll probably get a better understanding. So for today, these are what it is. These are the hauls that I have. It's a simple and a chotu mini haul. Thank you for watching this video. Have a lovely day and be kind.